Saturday, May the 4th, just leaving Central Station. Departing now. Stand clear, stand clear. "8:30 in the morning. Had a bit of rain overnight. Nothing too heavy, but a bit of rain. It's meant to be forecast of 3 to 6 mils today of rain, thunderstorms. Doesn't seem too bad. Under the canopy, I think it's a bit more protected too. I'm now heading to Lake Mckenzie. 9 kilometres to Lake Mckenzie. My map showed 8, but 9, that's fine. That's a very easy day, but then I'll go swimming and I'm just going to walk around and do photography. Ferns and moss on the side and trees reaching up to the canopy. All for that precious light that sustains life. Quick capture on the GoPro, 7 black. It still takes about 3 seconds before it activates. So at times it's, well, slower than you want. Quick capture should be 0.4 of a millisecond or something. Here we go. First traffic. Still with some steep patches on the way to Lake Mckenzie. Firm surface compared to what it could be. Now we get to go down what we just climbed. Okay, a pan around Lake Mckenzie before I go for a swim. That's one of the cleanest, clearest waters on this earth, they say, supposedly. Let's go for a swim. I was going to dive in, but it's crystal clear. There's a little bit of stuff in it, but it's pretty clear. Got a nice duck in front of us. Just leaving Lake Mckenzie now, heading for Kingfisher Bay. I decided today, getting low on food supplies and Kingfisher Bay, 10.3 kilometres. So 10.3 kilometres to go till we'll be back at Kingfisher Bay. My ferry's actually booked tomorrow at 5, but I'm pretty sure you could change it. She said I could have had it as an open-ended ticket. Because I'm only a walk-on, it really shouldn't matter, surely. You gain a bit of altitude, you lose a bit of altitude. If it's had moisture on the roads, well, tracks, they're not too bad. This is two-way traffic on this section, so I'm always looking for other cars at the moment, or buses. This is Kingfisher Bay. Got 2 hours to fill in, so I may as well go for a little bit to explore, I reckon, up the other side. They must get along okay to be that close to each other. As they sift through the sand, getting micro algae, I think it is.